22 Jawans were killed and 31 injured in a fierce 3-hour-long encounter between security forces and Naxals at Sukma Bijapur border district of Chhattisgarh on Saturday. Bodies of 2 soldiers have been recovered and 3 others are still missing. Meanwhile, 1 Jawan is still missing. 15 Naxals have been gunned down in the encounter. The gun battle started when security personnel belonging to the CRPF's elite commando unit, Cobra, District Reserve Guard and the Special Task Force were carrying out an operation in the area. The wreath-laying ceremony was held in CRPF camp to pay tribute to the martyrs. Prime Minister Modi today offered his condolences to the martyrs, wished the injured a speedy recovery. Home Minister Amit Shah spoke to Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel about the situation and has also directed DG CRPF to visit Chhattisgarh and take stock of the situation.
What is the casualty figure as far as Chhattisgarh incident is concerned?
22 so far, and 1 is missing.
This is a huge setback as security forces in an operation which was launched by security forces. Would you please tell us why so much casualty has taken place and what's the casualty figure as far as Naxals are concerned?
We don't have exact figure what the casualty on Naxal sides, but we have lost 22 dead bodies we have recovered of our soldiers, and 1 person is still missing. We are trying to find out whether he is alive. So the casualty figure is 22 on our side.
ऐसा बताया जा रहा है कि जब ऑपरेशन किया गया तब LMG और बाकी जो असला है वो इस्तेमाल किया नक्सल्स ने।
देखिए, सभी तरह के वेपन्स उनके पास भी हैं और हमारे पास भी हैं। दोनों ओर से गोली चालन हुआ। अब उनका कितना नुकसान हुआ वो अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है। हमारा तो हमने आपको बताया।
जवान शहीद भी हुए हैं, कुछ जवान अभी मिसिंग है। उसकी सर्चिंग लगातार रेस्क्यू टीम लगी हुई है और लगभग 4 घंटे तक के लगातार फायरिंग हुई है और नक्सलियों को बड़ा नुकसान हुआ है। हमारे जवान भी शहीद हुए हैं, अभी मिसिंग हुए हैं, तो उसके बारे में पूरे आंकड़े अभी आने बाकी हैं। टीम निकली हुई है और मैं उनके परिवार के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूँ।
Kamaljeet is now joining us live for the very latest on this story. Kamaljeet, this is very unfortunate news that is coming in. Of course, this is a huge loss of our Jawans. They've been martyred in this particular operation. I believe the combing operation is still underway. What's the latest update that we're getting from there?
Well, 24 hours after the operation was launched, there are 22 soldiers which have been martyred. Search operation is on currently because of 1 soldier who continues to be missing, but they are not expecting any good news even on that particular front. We already know there are 31 soldiers who are hospitalized because of grievous injuries. So this is in all sense a setback for security forces. But remember, this was not an ambush. This was a counter-Naxal operation which was launched by security forces. So in that sense, it was an operation which went wrong because it's one scene that the Naxals were extremely prepared. They had all sort of arms and ammunition, including LMG, a self-made rocket launcher, crude bombs, and they use excessive firing to launch an attack on security forces. This has led to 14 casualties of state police force and 8 from the CRPF. That 1 CRPF soldier continues to be missing. So this is an operational detail. One really will have to go into the aspect as to what really went wrong because the presence of security forces, and remember additional deployment had just recently been done by CRPF to put extra boots on the ground to ensure that there was a decisive battle against the Naxals this particular summer. Online and in tandem, work coordination being done with the state forces. But remember, this has come at a time where TCOC, an operation launched by the Naxals, has taken place. In earlier instances, we know they have targeted the forces by killing in 1s and 2s or even in the 10s. But yes, they have been using tactics like the IED, but here the forces were face to face with the Naxals in a forest area where Naxals had advantage not just of the area terrain but of the language, knowing the ins and outs. We also been told that when the operation got over and as the forces retreated, the Naxals carried away.
That's right.
And looted,
Kamaljeet, continue to stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.